So today, let me show you how I transform this normal or used Nike Air Force Ones into this cool, fully wrapped bandana custom. Welcome to my lab, to my factory. Yeah, welcome to my factory. Let's get into this video. So welcome once again to this channel. As you already know, my name is Nana, just like the number 7 in Japanese. Welcome once again. If you're new here, do well to subscribe to the channel. And if you're old, arigato for sticking with us till now. So like I said, I'm going to show you how I transform this normal Air Force Ones into this fully wrapped bandana custom. Now, let's get working. So basically all you're going to need for this custom is an X-Acto knife, a pen, brush to smear the glue, and glue. That is basically all you need for this custom. So without wasting time, let's just go through this video. I don't want to waste too much of your time. So all you have to do is to just take off the laces. So after taking off the laces, just give it a little cleaning or wipe with a deglazer or alcohol to take off the oily stuff and the remaining dirt on the shoes, and that's it. So actually this sneaker is for a Japanese girl or woman who is a Zumba dance instructor and an Afrobeat dancer as well. So she wanted me to do something unique on this, so she'll be using it when she is dancing and all that. So she actually said I should do whatever I want. So as she's a dancer, I decided to do the bandana wrap, a full wrap with 2 different colors of bandana. So I actually did the blue because I know she likes blue. She told me that's one of her favorite colors. And I'm going to put this summer green on the other one. So first you just need, if you have a part of the fabric that you actually want to let show, or you actually want at a particular spot on the shoes, that is where you need to start working, or that is where I love to start working at. So like, you know, that particular spot or that particular design will be very visible. So I'm gonna, like I did for this one, you know, I'm gonna do the same for this, like the same design on the toe box. So let's start working. So we just start by putting the glue directly, you know. I'm going to wrap straight up on the shoes. I'm not going to do the patterns, cuttings thing. No, I'm just going to do directly straight up on the shoes, and that's it. No cutting or patterns, you know, that's just a waste of time. And it's easier that way because as I am doing a full wrap, I don't need to, you know, cut the patterns. Just wrap the whole sneaker from spot to spot. So you just have to make sure the glue goes, the fabric sticks properly on the shoes. So I have this that I use. It has this round part that moves. So like I use that on the corners just to run, on the corners, so like the fabric sticks properly. And then I use this flat part to make sure the glue goes on properly. Yeah. And because this is going to be a full wrap, I'm going to cut the bandana from here, so like it can easily go on the sides of the shoes. So let's do the cutting. Yeah, so now we move to the next spot. This side is done, so I'm going to do the outside, and then again we put some glue, and then same as we did earlier, just make sure it goes on the fabric, make sure it goes on the shoes properly. So like that, do it from step to step. So we're going to do the same for, all the part. When I say step to step, step by step, like I said, this Nike, this part, then that part, then that part, then that part, this part, gradually till we do the whole shoe. So that is what I mean by doing it from step to step. So yeah, let's do the other parts and get going. So I'm gonna make you guys listen to what I listen to when I'm doing this type of stuff, like customizing shoes or creating fragrances or anything. There's a particular type of music that I listen to. I'm just gonna play just a little bit due to copyright reason. So this is what I listen to when I'm working here. So that is what I listen to when I'm working here. I can't play all that much because of copyright. So, I just wanted you guys to have an idea of what I listen to when I'm doing this type of things. Yeah, enka, Japanese enka. So this is almost done. But before then, if you're still here and watching this, and you haven't subscribed yet, do to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the bell icon so you get notified anytime we drop another video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this to other people. So I'll be right back in a minute. So I left this to dry out for roughly about an hour or so, and it's quite dry now. So next we have to cut out the excess fabric from this, and then what I usually like to do is to just use a pen to trace the lines around where I'm going to cut off, so you don't make a mistake in cutting into the fabric or into the parts you don't want to cut. So I just trace out the parts I want to cut first. So as you can see, I've traced out the parts I want to cut. So let's do the cutting now. Just be careful you don't cut deeply into the shoes to mess up, or to mess up the shoes. Just cut lightly along the lines you have traced. So take your time to cut them off slowly so you can get a clean finish. So all the parts cut and done. This is what we have. Full wrap bandana custom for a Zumba and Afrobeat dancer. It came out really, really nice. I really can't wait to see her reaction if she gets these shoes. I don't know if she's gonna like it or not, but she said I should do whatever I want with it. So I decided to do this full wrap because it came out really, really nice. Hopefully she likes it. I like it though. I like it though. Maybe I'll make one for myself someday. But thanks for hanging out with me today. To do well to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon so you get notified anytime we drop another video. Comment and share this video. See you on the next one. Adios.